And basically, I'm going to share with you guys about two concepts in this video. The first video is the concept of domain. The second concept is called flow. So if you like to say simulate smoke or simulate water or fire, sometimes you might combine the fire with smoke, okay, and you can even got a sort of combined simulation of fire and smoke at the same time. The result is amazing. Okay, so we will show you guys in the later video. And of course, you want to say simulate a water flow from pretty high places and bump to some rock and back and forth, something like that. You can use that. So the flow basically is sort of like the emitter. Okay, so it emits smoke, fire, water, something like that. And there we can't possibly just simulate in a endless environment, because that will cost our computation. It costs a huge computational drain on your computer. So in later video, I'm going to share with you guys how to sort of streamline this process and limit the computational strain to a certain sort of adding a strength to the computational space. So essentially, you want a certain domain for your computation to happen. Okay, so we will get a huge cube or cube-like structure that this can be dynamic. Okay, so this can be a cube like this, and as the say the smoke emits up, this computational domain can get expanded. So this way you can render or you can bake the data more quickly. Okay, but that's in the later videos subject. Okay, so this video, you just need to know that we need the domain to sort of bound this simulation, and the actual simulation is the flow that we are going to put inside of this domain. We're going to put an emitter and let all the simulation emit from it. Okay, once you got these two concepts on your pocket, you can jump to a next video to actually build your first MetaFlow simulation. Okay.